back in here with the back of it again. So today I'm going to be showing you my hair care routine. Okay, let's start. I'm going to wash my hair today because I already did it for this week. So I'm going to show you what I use. So I use this Jamaican black castor oil when I wash for shampoo when I wash my hair. I think you can find this in the beauty store. I have to ask my mom, but I will let you guys know eventually. And then we have this conditioner, which is in one of them I use, and another one I also use is Stay Moisture Detangling Shampoo. I also use this shampoo too, so I will put these in the description for you guys. So I'm gonna show you the moisturizer I use. This is the moisturizer I use. Curl Waves and Natural Hair. S Curl, No Drip, Curl Activator, and Moisturizer. Anti-frizz, blah blah blah. That's what I use. So I'm about to show you how I put it in and stuff. Before I do that, I have the gel too. I have this gel. I barely use it now. Well, I used to use it when my hair was shorter. And yeah, I used to use it when my hair was much shorter, but it grew, so it grew out. So we don't really use this that much. So alright, I'm gonna show you how I use the moisturizer and everything. So stay tuned. Okay, leggings, so let's get started with okay, so first we're gonna be using this curls and everything. I use a lot of pumps because my hair got longer now, so I don't really use this as much. So you can start rubbing it in, like a little goes a long way. This might take a couple minutes, but y'all like my content, so I guess y'all wouldn't mind. I want to say thank you for 9 subscribers, guys. Like, I'm only on day 2 of YouTubing. Like, this is crazy. Y'all are... That's really nice. Thank you. Like, I respect that you guys like my content, like, because I don't like it at all, actually. I really actually hate my content, but I do it because I said, why not? It seems fun. Like, why am I just standing here watching YouTube videos when I could be a YouTuber myself? But I like doing reaction videos and stuff. I like watching those. So I said, I just started doing reactions. But since I said, so yeah. So if y'all want me to do a story time on my hair care routine, I mean on how my hair was and why I cut it, like, and stuff like that, comment down below and like the video, because let me know if I should do a story time on why I cut my hair and how it grew fast in like 2 months, almost 2 months. So I will help tell you about that. Well, I did kind of tell you in this video, but I'll just add on to what I'm saying. So let me know, because I'll probably do a story time in the next video, so which is tomorrow. So yeah, I put a lot in, so guys, I know my face expressions are weird. I'm so sorry for that. Just at home when I pump it out, it's weird. I just got to, you know, rub it in the curls while I come in. I think I'm gonna get another one. If I do, I will show you guys. And yes, I will link all the hair products I showed you in this video in the description. Also, I will find the website where you can get the stuff. So I want to help y'all out, okay? Because we're in quarantine and there's no reason why you should not have long hair. I'm thirsty. I'm sorry. Okay. Ooh, how much? Once I do that, what can I do? Hold up, guys. Take you with me, so I can usually comb it out, so I usually comb it out a bit. Oh my god, my hair. Ow. See, this is where my hair got longer because I was combing out a couple days. It must have got longer. Oh, and I might also do a video. If y'all want me to do a video on what foods I eat that grow my hair, let me know. Like the video, comment below. Comment below and let me know. Because I get a video on that too. The foods I eat that also grow my hair. Alright. So this is basically my hair care routine for now. It might get updated later. My hair grows out. So probably the next time I do it, my hair will be longer. My hair get longer because yeah. This is for my short hair care routine. I used to use this when it was my shoulder. Let's pick it out a bit. Oof. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment below. Y'all are very nice to me. Y'all just keep subscribing to me. Like, you know what I hate though? When people keep asking for sub for sub, like, boy, why are you asking for, what is sub for sub? It's stupid. Like, what if you sub to some channel and they don't sub to you back? Like, what? You've been fooled. You were tricked into subscribing to someone that's not gonna sub to you back. I'm like, I would never do sub for sub, so don't be commenting my videos sub for sub. I'm telling y'all now before y'all start doing that. No. Because your comments will be deleted, okay? And that's on period. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, turn on your notifications, and subscribe. Okay, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.